Hey, what's up? This is Pat Music Production from producersbuzz.com. Now, today we're going to be looking at making a reggae beat. Check me out on Instagram, Path Beats. And before I start this tutorial, just want to let you know you can download the drums I'm using here for this reggae beat. All of these samples. Like what you need to make a really nice. Basically, all the sounds you need are on our website. If you click on search and type in reggae. So REGEE. I think it's spelled wrong on the website actually, but it's what it is. Reggae drum kit. And just click on download. Download the drum kit. And there you go. It's a reggae drum kit which you can use for free. And once you load it into FL Studio, most of you that don't know how to download it, I'm going to show you right now. Save. And once it downloads, you open it and extract it. So just let it download. Quite a big file. So let that run. I'll show you a bit later. But once you get it into the FL Studio, want to set your tempo to 200. Oh my god, 200. The reason we're setting it to 200 here, guys, is because we want the beat to be quite wavy and we want the tempo to be quite upbeat, but we don't want it too slow. Now, obviously, because we put the tempo up, which means we're going to spread our drums out a little bit more, so obviously it doesn't sound like drum and bass. Could you imagine doing reggae drum and bass? That'd be freaking awesome. Really? Did I just say that? Anyway. So what we do is we're going to load up the drums. Oh, by the way, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I spent so many hours doing these tutorials and I don't really know if people are actually enjoying them. Are you? Anyway, kick. So we're gonna just load a classic reggae drum kick and a snare. And what we're gonna do is just set the kick like that. Bump, bump, bump. You don't want to put basically you got the swing slider right here, this the swing. Just move it up to about 20%. If you don't know what the swing does, this is what it does. Without the swing, so you can see the difference. It adds a bit of swing to the beat. So we're gonna add the snare. Now what we're gonna do is, usually you would put the snare like this, but for reggae we're gonna move it a bit forward. Okay, or we can move it in here and then move it forward at the end. But I like it doing it this way. Or we can keep it this way. And then we're gonna use some of these. Gonna overlay another kick on top of that one. And load some of these perks. It's the perks that give us that. Is the Congo sound that give us that, that kind of, reggae kind of smoothie kind of, what's the word? Rhythm. That's what we want. So make sure when you load it in, any samples, you want to make sure that they all start beginning. If it doesn't, what you want to do is take the loops off, like that. So notice how this is looping. Take the loop off. Now what you want to do is keep the same kind of pattern. See that? So don't forget, take all the loops off of all the sounds, because they're all looping. See that? We're getting that kind of reggae kind of sound. Let's add a bit of a high kind of sound. See how this goes. The sound is too much. Let's try to replace it with this one. Oh, that sounds better. But I don't like the sound. Maybe go into the piano editor. The pitch of it is a bit off. So Control A to select everything and move it down. Has perfect pitch now. So as you can see. Also don't forget, you want to put your sounds all in the mixer. Move it down a bit. Don't want it too loud. Like that. And then maybe put like a bass kick on there. Maybe take one of the kicks out. Much better. Ooh, I love that. Yeah. Oh, some really nice sounds in this kit. Really like these sounds. I really like this sound. Now, in reggae, you don't really want to put two sounds next to each other like this. Doesn't sound right. So always leave a space between the if you can see, I've got space between all of them. Then there's never two next to each other. That's the main trick to making a reggae kind of beat. I mean drum loop, So I hope you guys like that. So that's the quick drum loop we've made. And now for the melody, very simple. I'm just going to be using Nexus. Like a... Just a quick preset sound. Let's see what we got. Let's go down to trap bangles. What we're looking for is maybe like a pluck kind of sound. So what the kind of rhythm you want to go is like So duh 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 duh. You know, you don't want to go like duh 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 duh. You know, the rhythm. You imagine the rhythm in your head. What you're going for, like duh 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 duh. So we've got that rhythm stuck in our head now. That's the best way I can really like explain it. Sorry if it sounds bad. So I'm just gonna do like a quick melody. Oh, my bad. I'm gonna put the melody on a separate pattern, like this. Ooh, don't know what's going on. Don't you just love it when you're trying to record something? And because I changed the screen resolution, it's playing up a bit, but it's alright. Nothing I can fix. Just move it across a bit. Can't really see the bar, but now I can. Right, let's have a look. Here we go. There we go. So we've got the bar now. So what I'm gonna do, okay, is basically loop this. So imagine a melody in your head first. So I really like that. So I'm just going to put it in. So what we do, oh, sugar, honey iced tea. There we go. So we clone this over 4 times. So Control A, select everything, hold Shift, click on it, drag across and drop, just like that. Now, you see these first keys? We're just going to copy them down like that. So I'm going to show you if I put this into the actual drum pattern. This is what we get. Now, see how some of the sounds sound a bit off? What you can do, right? Look, listen to this. If I take these off. Sounds... See that? So sounds a bit better. So you want to make it off step, like, you know, off beat a little bit. So that's the main aim. See that? We're getting quick melody. You know, main thing is you want to be a bit creative. Obviously, use like a pluck kind of sounds, and you can use, you know, all kind of like brass kind of sound maybe. But, you know, don't use nothing too strong. Something. You know, maybe let's try this. So, you know, I'm just showing you guys. I'm showing you guys really simple way of making this. You know, and straight away we've got like a nice little melody. Very simple, as I said. You know, I didn't really, you know, plan this, but I just made it so you guys can kind of understand the technique I used. It's mainly about layering, how you layer your stuff, as you can see. Oh, by the way, if you can't see these notes like I've shown you on here, like, you know, the grey ones, what you do is you click on settings, here, view, or helpers, and ghost channels. Or you just press Alt and V, turn them on and off, like that. Right, apart from that, I think I'm done here, like, with this quick explanation of making a reggae kind of beat, reggae. Obviously, you know, that melody is very simple, so I wouldn't put that in, but I just done it for demonstration purposes of layering. I hope you guys enjoy this. This is making a simple reggae kind of beat in FL Studio for beginners. If you do enjoy this tutorial, check me out on, well, Path Beats on Instagram, and check out Producer's Buzz, where you guys can download this drum kit. Link is below the video. And last and not least, let me show you this drum kit. When you download it, this is what it looks like. Okay, and you just open it up and drag it. You actually get 3 different kits in this one, which is even better. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you guys soon. Apart from that, I'm out, and here we are. Otta la gasolina. Come on. Hey. See you guys soon. Peace out and subscribe.